I'm auto specialist Tom Voelk for the Seattle International Auto Show, and this is your first look at the 2023 Toyota Crown, a nameplate that hasn't been in the United States for over 50 years.
So tonight, we're excited to introduce you to an all-new vehicle with a Toyota First powertrain.
This is the 2023 Toyota Crown, a raised sedan. Since four doors aren't selling as briskly these days, Toyota has decided that the genre needs to adapt. I'm at a press launch in Austin, Texas to preview this premium-oriented machine, which kind of takes up the slot once filled by Avalon.
Crown is not a new nameplate. It actually dates back to the 1950s, where it's been very popular in Japan and other markets. It was actually sold in the United States in the 50s and the 60s, but never really caught on. It's now available in 4 different body styles. In Japan, this is the only one that we're getting in the United States.
It's strictly an all-wheel drive sedan with a slightly raised ride height. This has always been a niche segment. The most popular lifted all-wheel drive four doors in memory are the AMC Eagle and Subaru Legacy SUS. Built on the TNGA-K platform, it's nearly 4 inches higher and 2 inches longer than a Camry. Width is the same. Wheelbase on Crown is longer by an inch. Ground clearance is up by just a half an inch over Camry. This is not intended for off-roading. I see the all-wheel drive system more for extra power and sure-footedness. It will be available with 2 powertrains, both hybrids. XLE and limited models move with a 4th-generation hybrid powertrain featuring a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine and a continuously variable transmission. The E4 all-wheel drive system uses an electric drive motor to spin the back tires. Normally, it only uses the front wheels to motor about. It can send as much as 80% to the rear. Toyota's own fuel efficiency estimate is an average of 38 mpg.
For more go and better chassis control, you want the Platinum model. It's significantly different.
Under the hood that can be had with a bi-tone paint job is the Hybrid Max powertrain with the E4 Advanced all-wheel drive system. It sports a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder with the back wheels driven with a separate water-cooled motor. It makes a total of 340 horsepower. The Max shifts gears. It has a 6-speed gearbox, plus paddle shifters. Platinum comes standard with an adaptive variable suspension and a couple extra drive modes like Sport Plus to take advantage of the upgraded dampers.
Hybrid Max, not about fuel efficiency, it's about performance. Toyota feels like it will get about 28 miles per gallon average.
Crown is an upscale model, so all trim levels come with dual-zone climate control and heated seats that are powered 8 ways for both driver and passenger. XLE's chairs are covered with synthetic Softex material. Limited and Platinum seats add ventilation and leather. They also get a standard panoramic roof, so if you want a bright, airy interior, move up at least 1 grade. The ambiance in here is a good, solid upgrade from what you'll find in the best of Camrys. In a way, Crown is like the offspring of Venza and Avalon, if you're looking to categorize it.
Toyota continues to roll out its new user interface that was developed here in the United States. It has a 12.3-inch touchscreen, though it's not really used all that much because this is largely voice-based. You use the wake phrase, "Hey Toyota." Unfortunately, this car is not registered with the internet, so it's not going to work. This is much like the system that debuted in the Lexus NX. It just lacks 2 rotary knobs here.
If you're an audiophile, you're going to want to skip the XLE with its 6-speaker sound system and move up to the Limited that gets a premium JBL sound system. Yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported.
In other markets, Crown is available as kind of a shooting brake and SUV. Again, this is the only body style that we're getting in the US. I don't have details on cubic feet just yet, but hey, there's a spare. You don't see that every day. There are remote seat releases and split seats. Excellent. This is a good-sized trunk. It should do a family fine. It doesn't have the utility of an SUV, but not everybody wants an SUV.
All Crowns come standard with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite of technology. It includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian, bicyclist, and motorcycle detection. There's also adaptive cruise control, improved lane keep assist, and automatic high beams.
The back seat is definitely roomy, what you'd expect from a sedan this size. Think Avalon. The carpool gang will definitely not be cramped.
If you like technology and you're really bad at parallel parking, the Platinum trim comes standard with the advanced autonomous parking system. Kia's phone is offered on the Platinum and as part of the advanced technology package on the Limited. By the way, prices are unannounced at this time. I'll guesstimate the XLE will start at around $40,000. Platinum will begin in the neighborhood of the high 40s with its more powerful hybrid max powertrain. Just a guess. If you're hankering to get your hands on the 2023 Crown, Toyota says it's expected to hit showrooms in the fall of 2022. Check in with your local Toyota dealership for availability. For the Seattle International Auto Show, I'm Tom Voelk.